With the increase in divorce rate in our society, what is your holiness advice for married couples?
You have to increase your tolerance threshold. Boys and girls both. You see, we cannot say the divorce rate is increasing only because of the fault of one person, boy or the girl. Both have some shortcomings in them. The best way to live a good married life is that increase your tolerance level, right? And ignore all the shortcomings you see in your spouse. Man should ignore, woman should also ignore. And try to find out the good things. We cannot say that a person has only bad qualities. You have good qualities and bad qualities both. Men also have good qualities. Women also have good qualities. Men also have shortcomings. Women also have some shortcomings. So, if you realize this fact and understand it, that we have to ignore the shortcomings of each other, then the divorce rate will reduce and you will live a very happy married life. Now, your responsibility is to bring up your children in a peaceful manner. So you give your children the atmosphere which is good for them, which can be helpful for their growth. And that can only be given if husband and wife are living amicably and living a happy life. Right?